So, from my perspective, DENJ was very knowledgeable in the state programs, the whole building process that was required, the approvals that were necessary to make changes, etc. And that, I believe, that helped us out a lot. When we initially started, we were looking at restoring an old house, just elevating it and then fixing the house as it existed. When the numbers came back, didn't make any sense. Cost more to remodel the old house or to restore the old house than to build a new one. So we then redirected our focus toward knocking down the old house, getting all the permits required to build a new home. We selected one of the houses that the state had required us to select from, and then we had to modify it considerably to make it livable for us as well as fitting on our lot within the permits that the city would give us. DENJ worked closely with us and the architect to make sure that it met our needs. We moved walls around, we changed kitchen layout, did a number of other things, and all were very acceptable. The
It's okay.
So when lost my train of thought here.
How did you feel about your experience generally with DENJ? Were they good at what they did?
So my feeling as far as DENJ was concerned is that they were a very professional organization. They were very knowledgeable of the various programs and what was required to get the job done. When I had any issues at all, if the superintendent responsible for the particular project had issues or had some concerns, I could always pick up the phone and call Frank, and I got an answer right away. If something was not exactly the way I wanted, there was no issues. There was never any issues with who was responsible. If something wasn't exactly right, they always stood up and said, fine, we'll fix it.
Hi, this is Jerry Baldacchino, and I hope you choose us for your next project.